Police body cams have become really an essential tool.
A major reform for the LAPD, where every single officer is now outfitted with a body cam.
London, Manchester and Birmingham are rolling out 30,000 body-worn video cameras to their frontline police officers.
Die Bodycam soll Polizisten vor Übergriffen schützen.
In caso di necessità, il vigile aziona la bodycam.
The New York Police Department is implementing the country's largest body camera program. More than 20,000 officers will wear the cameras once the rollout is complete.
Many police also say the body cameras will tell the full story during an encounter with the suspect because cell phone videos taken by bystanders often show only snippets that can be taken out of context.
I'm going to be proposing some new community policing initiatives, including up to 50,000 additional body-worn cameras for law enforcement agencies.
We should make sure every police department in the country has body cameras to record interactions between officers on patrol and suspects. That will improve transparency and accountability. It will help protect good people on both sides of the lens.
If it's something that law enforcement can show what we do and we can be more transparent and we can help to improve public trust across the country, then it's a win.
Cameras can't lie. Police officers can lie. Citizens can lie. A camera cannot lie.
We're finding that, I would argue, 8 to 9 times out of 10, as soon as somebody walks in to file a complaint and recognizes that the officer recorded the entire event, the person walks out of the office.
When it comes to, utilizing these for our reports, it's so much easier.
It's about making our officers more effective. It's about improving workflow. But ultimately, it's about ensuring we deliver an effective crime-fighting service to the community of London.
So do you think this will change the LAPD in any discernible way?
I think it'll change all law enforcement.
Every day the officers take them out of the charging dock, put them on their chests, and hit the streets.